Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. Today I'm going to do another review of a drink. And I don't know, maybe you guys remember the last one I did of SpongeBob SquarePants, the pineapple drink. I'll go ahead and show a little flashback of that one real quick. So let's go ahead and taste it. Smells like pineapple. Yeah, it definitely smells like pineapple. It kind of smells like the pineapple ice drinks, the pineapple, I don't know what it's called, but well, that's not very good. That's not very good at all. Well, let's try to get a little bit more. If you ever go to Five Below and you see this on the impulse buy, do not pick it up. This is putrid. Yeah, that thing was absolutely horrible. One of the worst things I've ever drank in my lifetime. It was just bad. And it was bad. But yeah, so my wife, even though I said that, I was like, my wife never watches my reviews. She just happened to watch that one. And so she surprised me. She went to the store the other day. She was like, I don't know if you guys know this or not, but I've lost over 200 pounds. I definitely watch what I drink. I try to keep everything like lower carb of things I can control. And drinks, I'm definitely trying to get a zero diet, whatever I do drink. And so with that being said, she actually surprised me with something. She's like, hey, she got actually a few of them. She's like, hey, I think you might like this. And I was like, well, what is it? She said Starbucks. I was like, honey, you know me for 30 years. I have never drank coffee in my life. I have never been to Starbucks other than to pick up an order for you. And she's like, no, it's a drink. It's a zero sugar drink. It's an iced energy drink. I was like, okay. And I was like, if it tastes like coffee, I'm going to be really upset because I don't drink coffee at all. So she ended up getting me this bad boy. This is a blueberry lemonade flavored with other natural flavors. I'm sure I don't know what that means. It's a Starbucks iced energy for hydration, 16 milligrams of plant-based caffeine. Ace. I'm doing a review. I'm trying to do a review. You can't drink this. You want to go outside? No? Okay. And it has mental clarity. And the job I work, I do IT work, and it's pretty stressful sometimes. So maybe this is something I really need to drink on a regular. But it says hydrate and energize with feel-good boost. And this is the codes here. It is definitely, so there's 5 calories in the can, 0 carbohydrates, 0 sugars. Let's just see what the ingredients is. There's got to be something in here, right? Carbonated water, citric acid, natural flavors, green coffee bean. Oh, there is coffee bean in here. I hope I can't taste the coffee. Malic acid, fruit and vegetable concentrate from color. Definitely some fake chemicals. RFK Jr. probably put the kibosh on this here soon as well, all the stuff he's doing with health. But yeah, 12 ounces. Let's go ahead and get this open. 0 sugar in here though. So we'll see. We shall see. We got it open here now. I'm kind of worried about this because last time that SpongeBob drink was just bad. Dude. You definitely smell the lemonade and the blueberry. This blueberry? I'll be damned. It is blueberry. You can actually really smell the blueberry on this. It doesn't look like coffee. I hope this does not I would hope it's not coffee. I mean, I never had a blueberry. I don't think blueberry lemonade coffee would taste good. All right. Sparkling energy drink. All right, we're going to give it a shot here. It's not bad. I would totally drink this again. No coffee at all. I don't know why I said there's coffee bean something in here. I don't taste any coffee. It does have like a blue purple tint to the drink. This is actually good. Yeah, you guys could let me know if they actually sell this in the stores, like in like a fountain drink. This is really good. Good. Huh. Good job, babe. All right, let's go ahead and guzzle it. I should be able to guzzle this one. This one actually tastes pretty good. What does it say? Juicy flavors of blueberry and the taste of lemonade. It's refreshing for everyday energy. I'll be damned. Starbucks. I think she said it's like $2.50 a can. I would totally get this again. Let's go ahead. Good to the very last drop. Yeah, this is pretty good. On a scale of 1 to 10, you know, I'm a big C4 guy, but this is actually pretty refreshing. It is refreshing. But yeah, I would say it's a good 7.5. I would definitely get this again. It's going, Ace. Yeah. So if you ever see these in the store and you want something low carb that tastes good, that actually has 0 carbs, I highly recommend picking this up. Wow. I'm impressed. At 5 calories in here, that's like a minute, 2 minutes of walking. But yeah, it's really good. So this is a Starbucks Ice Energy, the Blueberry Lemonade. Go pick one up. Reviews and moves here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see everybody next time.